I used to believe cancer was just bad luck, that it was something coded deep in our DNA, waiting like a ticking time bomb. You either got it or you didn't. But then someone I loved was diagnosed. It started subtly. Fatigue that wouldn't go away, unexplained weight loss, and then finally the diagnosis that changed everything. Cancer. We asked the doctors the same desperate questions everyone does: why, what caused it, and most importantly, what could we do? The answers were vague. Genetics, aging, maybe environmental factors. But when it came to prevention, to truly stopping this disease at its roots, we were met with silence. No real answers. Just standard treatments, the same protocols that had barely changed in decades. I couldn't accept that. I dove deep into research, searching for anything that could explain why cancer was becoming more common, why so many people, healthy, active people, were suddenly facing it. That's when I stumbled upon the work of Otto Warburg. A scientist from the Nazi era, Warburg had made a shocking discovery nearly a century ago. His research revealed that cancer cells don't behave like normal cells. They don't rely on oxygen the same way. Instead, they thrive on something else: glucose. In other words, cancer feeds on sugar. This changed everything for me. Warburg's research suggested that diet wasn't just a small factor in cancer, it could be a primary driver. And yet, somehow this information had been buried, ignored, even dismissed by modern medicine. Why? Because it challenged the status quo. It suggested that we had more control over this disease than we were led to believe. The more I learned, the clearer it became. The Western diet, loaded with processed sugars, refined carbs, and constant insulin spikes, was creating the perfect environment for cancer cells to grow. Warburg had figured this out almost 100 years ago, and yet, here we were, still acting like diet played no role. But what if we could change that? That's exactly what author Sam Apple explored in his book Ravenous, where he dives into Warburg's life, his discoveries, and how his work still holds the key to cancer prevention today. In this episode, Joseph Navarro interviews Sam Apple to unpack these groundbreaking ideas. You can listen to the full episode on our website at burnitnutrition.com/podcast112 or on iTunes and Spotify under Burn It Nutrition. And before you go, let's talk about one of the biggest missing pieces in health: hydration. Most people think hydration is just about drinking water, but electrolyte balance is key. Without the right mix of sodium, potassium, and magnesium, your body can't function properly. That's why I use Element electrolytes every day. No sugar, no artificial ingredients, just pure electrolytes that actually work. Right now, Element is offering a free sample pack with any purchase. Just go to drinkelement.com/burnit to claim yours. Understanding the link between diet and cancer isn't just about avoiding disease, it's about taking control of your health before it's too late. Listen to the full episode now at burnitnutrition.com/podcast112 and learn how Warburg's research could change the way we think about cancer forever.